Hey art friends, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. Pretty excited to be drawing Inferno from Stumble Guys. Let's have a look at how to start him. I'm just going to start with his nose shape. A couple of little nostrils, 1, 2. And then the rest of his cheek comes around like that. A couple of teeth coming down. And then he's got his head. He's sort of looking slightly to the right. So he's like a dragon that comes around. Now let's bring his eye in. He's a bit cranky, so this comes across like this. He's got his eyebrow here. Got an eye in there. Out that way, and his other eye is going to be here like this. Reminds me of a dragon and a bit like a crocodile as well. Now he's got some spikes coming out here. This line comes down. Couple of horns. That lead into his big horns. So this one you see more side on like so, and this one sort of curves back behind, so you don't really see much. And then he's going to have some flames coming off. Inferno's on fire. Okay. Finish that bit off. Let's finish his cheek off. Now let's draw the front of his body. This is like his belly. Like that, comes down. Then he's got these 1, 2, 3, 4 V sort of shapes there, and he's got a little claws coming down, little arm, tiny little claws. So 1 finger, 2, 3, and then he's got his little claws coming off them. Now you see a little bit of this wing, but not too much. So I'm just going to bring the wing like that. Now over this side, he's got more of his arms, so it comes down. He's got a few more fingers on this side. One, 2, 3, and I think there's another one underneath there. Yeah, 4 fingers, or 3 fingers and a thumb. Then bring his arm back in. That's his body. His leg comes down, out there, bring his leg down and around. His leg keeps coming down. Now he's got a claw that comes out like that. One's front on and one's coming this way. And we join them over. Like so. This leg comes across. Bring this out. One big toe. 2, 3. Bring that up. Like so. Let's not forget his wing. Bit more fire coming off there, but wing up, out. Now we've got his wing inside there. Inferno. Let's make that a bit bigger.